So we're gonna take the same example of our 20 milligram dose, but now I want you to look at this because this is going to be our liquid medication. So the difference between liquid and tabs is that tablets we can count, right? But liquid we have to measure. So when we have concentrations of liquid medication, it's going to tell us the concentration or the strength, which is going to be two numbers, not one number, because we could do it with tabs, we can't do it with liquid, because I could know that in each one of these vials there's 10 milligrams, but what I also need to know is how much liquid is in each of these. So this would be, we're just going to say that this is 3 milliliters, and this liquid is also 3 milliliters. So the strength for this right here, how it would be written, would be 10 milligrams / 3 ml. Okay, so we could do our algebraic calculation like we did in the last video, or we can think of this in a little bit different of a way. So basically, I have to get to 20 milligrams, right? And instead of using tablets, I have to figure out how many mLs am I going to give in order to give this dose of 20 milligrams. Well, there's a couple things I could do. I could think of this as one unit, right? 10 milligrams per 3 mLs is just one unit. So I already know that 20 divided by 10 equals 2. So I could say, okay, I have 20 milligrams. I divide that by 2. That equals 2. I'm sorry, 20 divided by 10 equals 2. And then I take that 2 and I times it by 3 mLs. And that's going to equal 6 mLs. And 6 mLs is my answer. Or I could do this and think of it in this visual way, is that 10 plus 10 equals 20 milligrams, right? And 3 plus 3 equals 6 mLs, right? And so either way I cut it, I'm still getting 6 mLs for the amount. So this would be, that means my pharmacy label would say, take 6 mLs. I just want to remind you that this is the amount. So in order to give 20 milligrams in this situation, I would have to give 6 mLs.